Attention Porsche owners, when was the last time you checked your brake rotors? At HOUSE Automotive, we check on your Porsche's tires, brake pads, and rotors to ensure everything is in recommended safety limits. Your Porsche's brakes aren't just about stopping. They're about confidence, safety, and peace of mind every time you drive. A quick brake and rotor inspection goes a long way in keeping your Porsche at its peak. A Porsche rotor change involves removing the wheels, taking off the calipers, and replacing the worn rotors. The calipers are unbolted and set aside without disconnecting hydraulic lines. Then, the old rotors are swapped for new ones. After reassembly, a brake fluid flush is often recommended to maintain optimal braking performance. At HOUSE Automotive, we're here to help you take care of what moves you, or in this case, stops you.